If you guys like how I do my chart analysis on YouTube and you want to learn how to do it yourself, click the link below to check out the Vee Trades technical analysis course. What's up, traders? This is Vee Trades, and today I'll be doing a technical analysis breakdown for Palantir Technologies with the ticker symbol PLTR. If you want a chart analysis guaranteed to be done, please read the description below. Also, take a second to give the video a like and subscribe for more chart analysis. I appreciate it very much. This video is for entertainment purposes only, does not constitute any financial advice. I will first go over what I see on the daily chart and finish the video off with the weekly chart. My last video on Palantir was posted back on April 26th. So let's see what has happened since. So I'm going to put a vertical line of where I left off, which is right on April 26th. So I was expecting us to reach these lower price targets at the $8 level, which my thumbnail says. And we eventually reached the $6.56 level. So that's even lower than I thought. So we did stop out the longs that went short here, that had their long positions here. We stopped them out. That's why we got a massive dump. And then we saw a little pullback in the market. So we definitely reached these lower price targets. We are not in a normal market. Under normal market conditions, we would probably pull back more and see a bigger rallies. But as right now, since the market is super volatile and super bearish, I'm not expecting to see these bigger retracements or us to fill in this gap. So the gap to fill in this gap, we got to pull back to the $9.54 level. But I'm just very lenient of us doing that because you see that the S&P 500 just dropped 4% today. So this is not a normal market. This is not normal conditions. So that's why I'm not expecting normal things to occur. I'm expecting more exaggerated moves to occur. I'm expecting more like volatility. So we don't have to fill in this gap at the $9.56 level. I think we come back down and fill in this gap that was created for the bulls. You can see there's a gap at the $7.34 level. Even though we're so far away from the EMA, we could still drop down lower. So I highly doubt that this is a bottom at the $6.46 level, especially seeing the S&P 500 drop 4% today. So being a bottom picker, you're going to be right maybe 5% of the time. That's why my chart analysis is always usually on point, because I don't pick bottoms. I stay with the trend, and that's what lends me to believe, that's what gives me these high prediction rates where I'm usually accurate, because I don't pick bottoms versus a YouTuber where their only job is YouTube. Me, I don't have any fancy editing softwares, anything like that. So I'm a trader first and foremost. But all these YouTubers, they don't know anything about the market. So don't be picking bottoms. It's a very low probability, and you got to stick with the trend. There's absolutely no reversal signs right now, and we are not in any normal circumstance market. So I'm expecting these lower price targets. I would not be surprised to see Palantir reach the $1 into the $1 level, because there is a technical analysis measured move right there. So if I do a leg down right here, and if we do another leg where the market is going, you can see it's been going down pretty much since this leg has formed. Pretty much since the top of the leg back in September 2021, we have been going down. Where are we going? Where are we going? We continue to drop. You can see that my right side of the chart, it continues to drop. The price continues to drop. The price continues to drop. And where is it going? These measure move targets are what you use to figure out where prices are going, and it's very accurate. And this is right at the $1.59 level. So I'm not saying we can get there, but if I was in a short position, this is where I would be holding my trade to, because that's what you use to trade. You don't just use your emotions to trade. You got to use something logical and something mathematical or systematic, which is these measured moves. So that's why they play out very well. So, I mean, even then, Palantir is super overvalued. You can see the market cap 16 billion, and they're only making 1.5 billion revenue. Still losing a lot of money. Actually, I don't think they lost a lot of money last time. They did pretty good, or even break even. It's still a, decent company, but definitely overvalued in this market. So, looking for these lower price targets. Technically, it really wants to reach these lower price targets. We just hit the $6 level. I'm expecting the $1.70 something level soon. Well, not soon, maybe in the next couple of months, if we continue down in this path that we're going. So that's everything I have on the daily chart. We could pull back. I'm not saying we're gonna get these targets tomorrow. We could do something like this and then drop down, so it could be a while, but as long as we stay inside this yellow channel and we're below the EMA, we're gonna be headed lower. So that's everything I have on the daily chart. Let's go and wrap it up on the weekly chart. Here we have the weekly chart for Palantir. Just been selling off ever since it made that high back here in January 2021 at the $45 level. Very bearish chart. You can see that last week is pretty bullish, and this normally should have lend us to a bigger pullback, probably back up to the EMA, maybe back up to the $13 level, because we're super far away from it, and there was a bunch of gaps that could be filled. But we are already seeing a reversal the next week, which is this week, so that's not good. Whenever we just see this formation after this candle, we could come back down to the lows to stop out the bottom pickers in this market. So there's a bunch of stop losses right here. If you enter long, you have a short to get out of your position. So once the short sellers bring the market down, we could add more fuel to the fire and see a bigger push occur. So I'm not saying we're gonna get a red candle this week. I mean, it's still just Wednesday, so we got 2 more days. This could turn into a neutral candle. But even then, even if we do see a pullback, I mean, most likely we have not bottomed. So that's all I have to say for Palantir. Thank you for stopping by and checking out my video. Make sure to check out the rest of the channel, since you might be surprised what you can learn. Leave a comment down below on where you think prices are headed. Also share the video if you want your friends to learn about the markets. Lastly, I appreciate my any feedback to help improve the channel, since I want to deliver great content to you guys. See you next time, and bye.